Hi everyone, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to show our project. We have choose topic agriculture and nutrition. Our project name is Smart Agriculture, in which we can boost agricultural production using smart solution and data analytics. We have taken data of last 10 to 15 years of market demand products, analyze that data and extract the information regarding which crop will be in demand in next season in a particular district or state, and what will be the amount of those crops farmers have to grow. By using the data analytics of the past year, we can predict the demand product on market. By doing this, farmers won't have to worry about extra product wastage and related cost like reduced market price because of overproduction and inventory charges, etc. Crop will be grown in optimum amount, so no more demand will be created and no more waste will be created, and farmers can get the most benefit out of it without any unrealistic fluctuation in market price. Okay, let me demonstrate our project. This is our project. We have three data fields. First is state name. Let's say state is Madhya Pradesh, district is Dhar, and season is summer. Then predict. These all are the crops that will be in demand in summer season, and the area correspond to each crop depict the amount that the farmer of this particular area has to grow. This is the same data but in tabular form. It shows farmers has to grow 12,682.5 tons of sugarcane in Dhar MP in summer season, and similarly for other crops. Let's take another state. Let's say state is Gujarat, district is Mahisana, and season is Kharif. Then these all are the crops that will be in demand like cotton, castor seed, bajra, oil seed, potato, in which oil seed has the maximum area, which means oil seed will be in great demand in Mahisana, Gujarat in Kharif season. So farmer in Mahisana has to grow that much amount of these crops so that all crops will be grown in optimum amount and farmers can get best out of all profits. Thank you.